Swami Vivekananda possessed vast knowledge of both Eastern and Western culture. His brilliant communication skills and deep spiritual wisdom impressed people everywhere. In the year 1893, he was selected to represent Hinduism at the World's Parliament of Religions in Chicago. It was one of the most important journeys of his life. Just one day before leaving for America, his loving mother invited him for dinner. That simple family dinner would soon reveal the true greatness of Vivekananda's character. Vivekananda happily sat beside his mother and enjoyed the delicious meal she had lovingly prepared for him. The room was filled with affection, comfort, and the silent emotions of a mother preparing to send her son far away. After dinner, his mother brought a bowl of fresh fruits along with a knife to cut them. Vivekananda quietly cut the fruits and ate them while speaking lovingly with his mother. Everything appeared ordinary, but his mother was about to test something far more important than knowledge. After he finished eating, his mother softly said,
"Son, can you please pass me the knife?"
Without hesitation, Vivekananda immediately handed the knife to her. He carefully held the sharp edge himself and passed the wooden handle toward his mother so she would not get hurt. His mother smiled warmly.
"Son, you have passed my test. You now have my blessing for your journey."
Vivekananda looked confused and asked,
"But mother, when did you test me?"
"When I asked you for the knife, that was the test."
You held the sharp side yourself and gave me the safe side.
That means you care more about the safety of others than your own comfort.
And a person who thinks about the well-being of others first deserves to guide and inspire the world.
Hearing these words, Vivekananda silently bowed his head with respect. True greatness is not measured by intelligence, wealth, or fame. It is measured by compassion, by kindness, and by the ability to protect others even at your own discomfort. Nature has a beautiful law. The more selfless you become, the more blessings life gives back to you. And that is why Swami Vivekananda became not just a great speaker, but a guide for humanity. If you liked this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories like this one. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next story with new thoughts and new lessons. Until then, stay well and stay peaceful.